10 Amazing Benefits of Turmeric You Should Know. Turmeric, often referred to as the golden spice, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking. This vibrant yellow spice is derived from the Curcuma longa plant and contains an active compound called curcumin, which is responsible for its numerous health benefits. Let's explore the 10 amazing benefits of turmeric. 1. Powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric's most well-known benefit is its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin helps reduce inflammation in the body, making it effective in alleviating conditions like arthritis, joint pain, and inflammatory skin conditions. 2. Strong antioxidant activity. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and neutralize free radicals. Regular consumption of turmeric can help protect cells from damage and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 3. Supports heart health. Studies suggest that curcumin can improve heart health by lowering LDL cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. It also promotes healthy blood circulation and helps maintain blood pressure within a normal range. 4. Enhances brain function. Curcumin has neuroprotective properties, which may improve cognitive function and support brain health. It may help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. 5. Boosts immune system. The immune-boosting properties of turmeric can help strengthen the body's defense against infections and illnesses. It aids in promoting overall immunity and supports the body's ability to fight off infections. 6. Digestive health. Turmeric stimulates the production of bile, which aids in digestion and assists in breaking down fats. It can also help alleviate digestive discomfort and reduce symptoms of bloating and gas. 7. Skin health and radiance. With its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, turmeric can enhance skin health and improve radiance. Topical use of turmeric can help treat acne, reduce redness, and improve the overall appearance of the skin. 8. Natural pain relief. Due to its anti-inflammatory effects, turmeric can serve as a natural pain reliever. It may help alleviate chronic pain, migraines, and muscle soreness. 9. Supports weight management. Curcumin may aid in weight management by helping to regulate fat metabolism and reduce inflammation associated with obesity. 10. Cancer prevention and support. Emerging research suggests that turmeric may have anti-cancer properties. Its ability to inhibit tumor growth and prevent the spread of cancer cells makes it a promising adjunct therapy for cancer patients. Incorporating turmeric into your daily diet or using it as a supplement can be an excellent way to harness its numerous health benefits. However, it's important to note that curcumin's bioavailability is low, meaning the body has difficulty absorbing it. To enhance absorption, it is recommended to consume turmeric with black pepper or pair it with healthy fats. While turmeric is generally safe for consumption, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional, especially for individuals taking medications or with specific health conditions. With its diverse range of benefits, turmeric truly lives up to its reputation as one of nature's most powerful and versatile superfoods.